Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening. Yes, very good. Aishwarya, Deepika, Divyesh, Sivaram, and Sritej joined right time. Very good, children. That is the discipline. Good. Children, what is your periodical assessment examinations schedule? Any syllabus given to you? Yeah, please take. Yeah. What are the chapters for your periodical assessment, Sritej? I did not get your voice, Ritesh. Am I audible to you, children? Children, Aishwarya, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sritej voice, I think Sritej is not audible. Something changes. Please check it better. Divyesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Shivram. Yeah, what are the chapters for your examination? Yes. Okay, let me start few more bits. Yesterday, I'm really happy with your integers concept, children. That's the basic part we discussed. We'll go with a little competitive basis, how competitive examinations, your concepts will be tested. No, you're not able to hear me, my dear Sritej. I think volume reduced, Nana. You can increase the volume, please. That's all. Knowing our numbers, whole numbers, playing with numbers, data handling. Okay, right. That's from Deepika. Right, Deepika, almost data handling, did we discussed in the classroom?
No, ma'am.
Any worksheets are given for you, please share with us so that the same worksheets we will discuss in the classroom too, so that it will help for you also. Or else I'll give my own pattern of questions. We'll go with our NCERT pattern. Yes, shall we move, Aishwarya? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall we start our Today also, please try to do few sums first, children. Once you're able to do the sums, then we can go ahead with the part. I'll appreciate the students. Aishwarya on her camera, very good. Who else not at on the cams? Deepika, very right. Yeah, now I can audible Sritej. Very good. Yes, I can. Maybe some issues sometimes. Right. Any doubts in the topics, Deepika, for you? In the chapters, particularly like knowing numbers, whole numbers, data handling, playing with numbers. Any doubts? Divyesh, I think you have. Yeah. I just saw you have included fractions also. Okay, Tuesday you have test. Okay, fine. So integers are not there. Can we go with the fractions division today or
Ma'am,
data handling? Hmm?
ma'am, you said all those properties in playing with numbers or whole
Numbers.
numbers, right?
Can we discuss once again those properties?
No, ma'am. Actually, we don't have those properties in our exam.
But it will helps you, Deepika. Why? Because in the class 9, yesterday in the class 6, 8, and there is a few simple questions are also they are not answered in rational numbers. If you know these properties in lower classes for whole numbers and natural numbers, it will helps in your future classes better. Don't worry about those. Okay. But you're a bright student, you can learn many things, right? Not an issue. Okay, Deepika. And any other new things you have so that we will discuss those things?
Ma'am, nothing new, ma'am. We just
Deepika?
ma'am, hello.
Hello, Deepika, I can hear you, please.
Ma'am, actually we just learned a newly photograph and tally marks.
Okay. Only tally marks and pictographs, only both the graphs are there, Deepika, for you, bar graph.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we discuss
Ma'am,
bar
in
graph?
Indeed, we don't have bar graph. We have only photograph and tally marks.
Like sometimes I can hear, I cannot hear sometimes, better, please.
1 second, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yes, right, Deepika, now I can hear you.
Ma'am, we in 6th grade we have only pictograph and tally marks.
Then it is easy, right, Deepika? You can do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
You
other
can just give me
topics
some
difficult?
questions if I can solve it.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the successor of the first counting number?
What is the successor of first counting numbers? What are counting numbers? Natural numbers, right?
Yes,
Natural
ma'am.
numbers are counting numbers. So, what is the successor of?
Ma'am, the counting number, the first counting number.
First counting number is 1, right? 1 immediately, next number, successor of 1 is?
2, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I got it.
That's all. But there is no predecessor, beta. There is no predecessor for counting numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Right. Any doubts? Please share your doubts, Adrit, Aishwarya. We'll go with that. And last 15 minutes, Deepika, I'll give whatever the exercise we are practicing. Please remind me once again. Meanwhile, we will go with the integers, a few more questions. Yes, are you ready to learn? I can see only 8, 7 students who did not join at the class. Soumya joined. Did Soumya is there in the class? Soumya, dear, are you there? Soumya, are you there?
Ma'am.
I cannot hear you, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, Soumya. Please focus here. Respond through the chat box, children. Don't give your answers directly so that others can copy. So first question of the day today, what is the date, children? We will solve 10 bits on integers very
15.
quickly. Then we'll
15.
15. Right.
Ma'am, you told I can conduct a quiz.
Yes, surely. Last, we'll go with every day, Ashwath. Ashwath will go with every day. Okay. But few sums we first complete the concept sums. Right. We are going with the integers. Operations on integers. Yesterday, basic sums we practiced. Today, a few more, some more complex sums we will do that. Evaluate. The word evaluate is new for you, but evaluate is also nothing but simplify. Simplify the 6 minus 11 plus 2. Yes, come on, children, please do the sum. Evaluate 6 minus 11 plus 2. First, identify which are positive numbers. Identify which are positive numbers. Yes, 6 is a positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
Another positive number is?
2.
Now, if you combine two positive integers, the result is also positive, right? We are
Yes,
adding
ma'am.
and keeping, just simple addition. Now, 6 plus 2 is? 8. Come on, children, you can do the through a chat box. I got my 6 students who gave the correct answer. Let me check. Yes, first correct by Ashwath. Second correct by Divyesh Sriram. Third correct by Adrit. Fourth correct by Aishwarya. Fifth correct by Sritej. That's all. Only 5 people are given. What other students? Deepika, Aishwarya, Soumya gave. What is the answer, Soumya? Hello, Soumya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
See, are you there? Soumya, 8 minus 11. Yes, be alert in the class, children. If you are giving very late, I'm going to give every day daily record. I noticed who are the children are responding, who did not respond. In that, I'll mark your the observations part. 8 minus 11 is how much? Soumya, please call. I want attention of Soumya.
Ma'am,
Soumya,
8 minus 11 is 2.
See, 11 minus 8 or 8 minus 11, you can do anyway. What is 11 minus 8?
49.
Soumya. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 11 minus 8, Soumya?
Ma'am, 2.
Soumya. If you add 8 to 2, how much you are getting? You are getting 11 or 10?
Ma'am, addition or subtraction?
Subtraction only you should do because these are opposite signs, right? Opposite signs you need to subtract. Yeah,
12.
opposite signs you need to subtract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
8 minus 11. Is it 2 or 3? Sorry, Soumya, you are not given answer yet.
Hello?
Are you there in the classroom?
Hello, ma'am?
Yeah, Soumya, what is 8 minus 11?
Ma'am, 8 minus 11 is 12.
1 minute, Soumya. Where is Soumya? Soumya, 8 minus 11. You see, there are 8 minus 11 means you need to subtract 11 minus 8. First, you have to subtract. If you're not going, what you are supposed to take, you are going to take 11. 8 after 9, 10, 11. That means the 3 is the answer. But here, greater number having which sign? Greater number having which sign? Minus sign, right, Soumya? So the answer is minus 3. The answer is minus 3. Hope you understood, Soumya. Yeah, be alert in the class, Soumya. These are very important till 10th class. Not only till 10th class, your future chapter. This is, if you know integers perfectly, fractions perfectly, decimal perfectly, 10th class, you will get full score. This is the key chapters you need to learn. Now, next one, the find the value of. Come on, children, find the value of minus 30 plus minus 10 minus 5. Yes, Aishwarya, please solve everyone. Yeah, I got answer from the student. I'll just give the applause to you, children, please, so that you can correct answer. Very good.
Mama, by mistakenly
Very good.
something else.
Yes, Sri.
Ma'am?
What's
Ma'am,
Sri Tej?
Ma'am, is mine correct or wrong?
Yes, you are absolutely correct, Sri Tej.
Okay, ma'am.
That's
Ma'am,
why.
is my answer correct?
Aishwarya, beta, please check once again. Very good. By Ashwath also correct. Adrit also correct. Correct second answer. Very good, Soumya. Soumya, hope you understood right now. Yes, Ashwath also given correct answer. Divyesh, sorry beta, Divyesh, check it once again. I'll help you, Divyesh, and who others? Given Aishwarya. Aishwarya and Divyesh, I call for the attention of both. Minus 30, that means this is minus 30. This is minus 10. This is plus minus 5. All are what? Negative numbers. All are negative numbers. All negative numbers means negative signs means you have to add. You have to add. Add the numbers 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 plus 5 is 45. So, but the same common sign, which sign common here, all the numbers? Negative sign. So, negative 45 is the answer. Negative 45. Hope you, Aishwarya, you got ma? Aishwarya? Okay. What about Sriram? Sriram?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you're clear, ma? Because this minus 5 means, that means we can adding minus 5 to the number. Okay. Hope you understood. Don't confuse for that part. All are negative integer only. All are negative integers. So all same signs means we are adding. We are adding and keeping same signs means adding and keeping common sign. Yes, Sashwati is very tired. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Go and drink a sip of water and come back.
Okay, ma'am.
Same signs, adding and keeping the common sign. Adding, keeping
Ma'am,
common sign, which is.
Ma'am, there's some network issue. Can I off my camera for 2 minutes?
Sure, Sritej. Sure, ma. Sure. Okay. But be focused what we are doing. Yes, Soumya. Soumya. Hope
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood, ma. Hope you
Yes, ma'am.
understood.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Soumya, there is a question for you and the Sriram. The third question, quickly answer and give the answer for me. Minus 30 plus minus 60 plus minus 4. I'm waiting for your reply. Yes, Aishwarya. Please, through chat box, you send children third bit.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, I got the first correct answer, Adrit. Second by Divyesh Sriram, very good. Aishwarya also given correct, very good. Very good. Hope you are clear, I think. Right, then we'll go with the next part. Right, Sritej and Soumya. Good. Good. I think, yeah. Okay, fine. Who is given 91 and 94? Hey, where you are getting 94? Right, 94 is correct. Someone gave 91, maybe by mistake. Ashwath is given. Sritej, it's 95, beta. Sorry, 94, not 91. Who gave 91? Minus
Ma'am,
91
Ma'am,
is
is that the
minus.
question? Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, there's 3 before 30, minus 30. Is that the question or the?
Yeah, minus 30, minus 60, minus 4. All are same signs. You have to add 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 4 is 94. First number you. Which sign you're supposed to keep, that later you have to think. All are minus signs, you have to keep negative sign.
Ma'am, I thought that the number 3 in the left.
Oh, okay. Right. Okay. But sign and number also plays a very important role in this chapter, children. If small signs makes your calculation wrong. Now, next part, there is a question for you for bit. Minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 6 minus what number? Here you have to find out the unknown in the box. What is Deepika, the unknown part in the box? Deepika? Yes, Deepika. Anyone not disturbing you, Deepika, there? Yes, I got answer from my student. I'm extremely sorry, Sritej. Think. First solve it. First solve the LHS part.
Ma'am,
First
there should be
solve
an
the
integer
left.
in the box.
Yes, first solve the LHS part, then you will understood which is. Soumya, I did not. Okay, I'll help you, Soumya. Don't worry. Soumya, you look here. First LHS part. What is the value of LHS? -8 plus 7. Opposite signs. What you will do? Opposite signs means subtract. Opposite sign, subtract. Come on, if you subtract, 8 minus 7 is 1, right? But greater number having which sign? Negative sign. So to get -1 to the right side also, which number I should take? If I take smaller than 6, you will get positive numbers. If I take greater than 6, you will get negative numbers. But -1 means which number I should take? I should take now you check it, sorry.
Correct.
1 minute, 1 minute. Now you check it whether both numbers, which one you should be there in your box. It should be 6 minus 7. Let me check my student Divyesh given correct.
Ma'am, is my correct?
1 minute, I'm seeing. Adrit, yes, Adrit also correct. Deepika wrong, and -8 plus 7 is -1. Sritej also no. Sritej, please correct your mistake. -8 and -8 plus 7 is how much, Sritej? Is it
Ma'am,
-1 or +1?
Ma'am, -1.
You gave +1 better. Please check it. Aishwarya, sorry. And Soumya still not getting. Soumya, divide into 2 parts better. Here LHS is this part. Divide into 2 parts the question. -8 plus 7. See, Soumya, what is the value of this? Soumya, what is the value of this? What is the value of -8 plus 7? Very good. -1. Aishwarya given. Now you check to this is LHS part. You go to the RHS. To get RHS, 6 minus what number makes you -1? Same should be equal because LHS and RHS should be same. Which number I should subtract so that which number I should subtract from 6 so that the -1 will happen?
Ma'am,
In the blank. 7. 7 should be subtracted from 6 so that you will get -1. Because greater number are subtracted from smaller number, you always get negative sign, right? So that if you want 1, you immediately 6 minus 7 so that you will get -1. Hope you understood, Soumya. Soumya. Okay. Now there is a question for you. How many integers are there between? Question number 5. How many integers are there between? How many integers are there? How many integers are there between -5 and 1? -5 and 1. Through chat box, you can text me. How many integers are there between -5 and 1?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma. Yes, please.
For this fifth one answer, we should also include -5 and 1.
No, between means we should not include beta. That's very important.
Is my
Very good
answer
question.
correct?
Yeah, well, let me check. Yes, yes, very good. I got first correct answer from Adrit, second from Aishwarya, third from Soumya. Next from Aishwarya is given 4 again. Why? Divyesh, okay. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, Aishwarya, let me check. So we are not including 5 and 1. So we are excluding that. 5 and 1. Now you have to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. How many numbers are there, Aishwarya? Yes. There are 5 numbers. How many integers are there in between -5 and 1? In between means you have to exclude that part. Okay. Next. Question number 6. Additive inverse of -7. This is additive inverse of -7. Additive. Simple children, additive inverse means opposite sign number of additive inverse of -7. So additive inverse means, what is additive identity? 0, children. If you add -7 to what number, you will get 0. That is your additive inverse of -7. -7 plus what number makes you 0? Through chat box, children. Come on, through chat box, you can message. Yes, ma? Hello, children.
Correct.
1 minute, Nana. I'm unable to see you. Let me. Okay, you are here.
Answer clear. Correct.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Very good. Almost all my kids are given correct answer for this bit. First, Aishwarya given. Second, Adrit. Third is Soumya. Fourth is Ashwat. Fifth is again Aishwarya. Divyesh, Sriram, Sritej. Deepika given 6. Why so 6, Deepika? Deepika, please. Why 6? Deepika, not 6, beta. Additive inverse means -7, opposite sign of -7 plus 7, right? So no need. If you use -7 plus 7, additive inverse and the sum of additive inverse and its number is always 0. Suppose my 8 plus -8, what is the value of 8 plus -8? Both are additive inverse to each other. They become 0. 1 plus -1, both are additive inverse to each other. The sum is 0. Next, 9 minus 9 plus 9. There is a sum of additive inverse and its inverse, additive inverse, and the number is always 0.
Mom,
Minus A.
Mom, 0 is neither positive nor negative, right now?
Yes, very good, ma. It's neither positive nor negative. It's a special number. Very
Okay.
good. So now last one, minus A plus A is? What is the value of minus A plus A?
0.
0. Children, no need of in the questions also. Suppose where we are applied this type of question, you see, suppose in the examination, teacher gave such a big sum for you. -3, minus plus 5, minus 5, plus 7 and plus -7. What is the answer for this?
0.
No need of doing directly 3 and -3 addition. Additive inverse sum is 0. Additive inverse sum is 0. 7 minus 0. Everything becomes 0. Right? Yes, right. Right. This type of questions, if you know these concepts very well, so your calculation part you can reduce you can do more speed in the classroom to learn these techniques. Now, choose the biggest among the following numbers. Next, shall I clear the screen, children? Soumya, are you writing? Okay. Choose the biggest among all the integers. Now, question is, choose the biggest among all the integers. Choose the biggest among all the integers. Negative integers are biggest or greater, small, the positive integers are biggest, children.
Positive.
Very good. Positive integers are greater all the time comparing with the negative integers. Biggest among the following. Now you just look here, children. There are few integers for you. negative 12. You can have negative 20. And you have 0 and the negative 11. Which is the largest among these or biggest among these?
0.
Very good. It's 0 is the biggest. Why, Ashwath? Very good, Sriram. Sriram
Because,
used the chat box.
when
Good.
Not
Yeah. Rest of all the integers are negative integers. Yes, that's very good, Sritej. Rest all other integers are negative integers. Only 0 is neither positive nor negative, but it is towards the right side of negative numbers. That's why it is the greater number. Right side numbers is always greater than left numbers. Now, in the morning temperature in the Hyderabad was 2 days. Okay, or else we will take some negativity cases in the question. The morning temperature. Morning temperature and temperature in Shillong. We will take below negative Shillong. Shillong is the coolest place which is located in Jammu and Kashmir, right, children? Shillong. Morning temperature in Shillong was 2 degrees Celsius below 0. Below 0. That means what is the temperature in Shillong?
-2.
-2.
Very good. Its temperature in Shillong was -2. Immediately you should understand, children. Temperature in Shillong was -2 degrees Celsius. -2 degrees Celsius. Now the question is the noon temperature. Temperature at noon. Temperature at noon. What is the temperature at noon is given as 7 degrees Celsius above the 0. Above 0 means?
Ma'am, then it's a negative number. Sorry, a positive number.
Positive number. Very good. Above always positive. What was the rise in temperature? Question careful, children. What was the rise in temperature? What was the rise in temperature?
Ma'am, 7.
Yes.
7 degrees Celsius.
Who said 7? Soumya. Sorry, Soumya. Please think. Draw the number line. If you have doubt, if you have such a question's doubt, draw the number line. So this is at morning, -2 degrees Celsius, right? Then 7 degrees at noon. Okay. -2 after -1 degree Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, and 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius,
Ma'am,
3
was it
degrees
5?
Celsius.
5
3
degrees.
degrees. Let me check. 3 degrees
Ma'am,
Celsius.
7.
What, ma'am? What? How much?
7. Ma'am, is
No,
it
5
9?
degrees Celsius.
Ma'am,
Very
9.
good. Who said 9?
I'm
Who said
Adri.
9?
I'm
Adri
Adri.
and Aish. Very good. Very good. Very good. Really good. 6 degrees Celsius. 7 degrees Celsius. Now you check. Now you check. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degrees, 7, 8, 9. How many? What is the rise in temperature, children?
9
What
degrees.
is the rise in temperature? Rise in temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. They will give in the options -9 also, children, but don't take minus. Why? Because here they're asking about how much temperature was raised. So 9 degrees Celsius was raised. If you want to test also, you can write it. -2 is initially degrees Celsius, raising is 9 degrees. So at noon temperature was 7 degrees Celsius. Like that also you can read, check through the part. Now, without using pen and paper, I'm going to give a few more questions. Yes, you doesn't use anything. You have to use your own brain. Give the answers. There are 5 bits for you. No, sorry, 7 bits. All the 7 bits you have to answer without using pen and paper. Yes, Deepika, correct.
Ma'am, are you giving the question?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Soumya is, I think, writing the part of question. So I'm waiting for Soumya.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Shall we move to children? If you are unable to do also, you just make a screenshot so that you can refer later also. Okay, Anvit, why late Anvit to the class?
Ma'am, I had network issues.
Okay. Please go through the concepts, ma. Today we discussed the important concepts on integers. Whenever you are free time, please go through the video also. PDFs are available now.
Okay, ma'am.
What I said, you just drop your pen and pencil, sit properly, relax, and without using your pen and paper, you need to answer the questions. I'll write all the questions through chat box. You just give the answer. Question number 1, answer like that. This is without using pen and paper. You can text me. First bit, arrange question number and answer you type, children, so that who are given correct answers I can notice easily. -3, -1, 1, 0, 9. In ascending order. AO means ascending order. Ascending order. Yes. Ascending means, what is ascending order, children? Ascending order means small to big. Smallest integer to greater integer you have to put. Ascending means small to big. Small to big. Yes. I'm waiting for your everyone. There are 8 students in my class. Everyone should give. I'll reply to through the chat only, children. You just see your replies too. I got 4, 5 answers almost.
Ma'am, I submitted my answer.
Yeah, I'm checking. Right. Sorry, this is not you. Anvit is given wrong one bit. Anvit, check. There is one number you skipped better. There are 5 numbers. You gave only 4. Please check those. Very good, Divyesh. Yes, Sritej, good. Adrit. Yes, Adrit also given correct. Anvit, now he included all. Yes, Deepika is given correct. Aishwarya given correct. I did not get answer from Soumya also given, right? Right. Everyone gave, I think, almost all kids. Next, you are using pen and paper. Don't use children, only use your brain to solve the questions. Write the numbers whose absolute value is 9.
What, ma'am?
Write the number. Write the numbers. Write the numbers whose absolute value is 9. Whose absolute value is 9.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
1 minute, Adrit. I'll check. Absolute value is 9. Let me check. Adrit is given already. Yes, one of the answer I got. Okay. You gave directly. Fine. You think in other way also, Adrit? Check it in other way also. Sorry, Aishwarya.
Ma'am,
Ashwati also
ma'am,
given
what does that question mean? Like, we have to find
very
out.
good. Some Aishwarya gave the logic, whatever the logic I expected from the student, she gave. Absolutely correct, Aishwarya. You need to write the numbers whose absolute value is 9. So that means absolute value, you know, right, children? If negative numbers also there, you may get positive number. Whose absolute value is 9. So that is Adrit, absolute value. Okay, you're taking in this way. And Deepika, correct, ma? You gave one more like what I'm expecting. And Adrit, 9 minus of 9 is 18, right? Beta, it's not 9. 9 minus of 9 is 18. Because you gave 9 minus of minus 9 is 18, not 9. So this is not
Actually,
an.
by mistake, I added minus.
Okay, fine. Very good. Anvit given correct. Yeah, you can take any numbers better. Combination of numbers also you can take here. Combination of numbers also you can take. Suppose I'm taking the number whose absolute value is suppose. Okay. Minus 3 whose absolute value is minus 3 plus 6. Yes, is it 9 or not? Yes, is it 9 or not?
No, ma'am.
No, no.
No, 3 absolute value is nothing. This is modulus sign means we are not considering any sign. We are taking as positive. 3 plus 6 is how much?
9.
9.
Yeah, this is the way we can use. Or the students are given minus 9. The modulus of minus 9 is also 9. So that concept, I think you doesn't have children. If you learn also absolute values, if you learn nothing wrong in it, you can do. Absolute value is nothing but if see what is absolute value of minus 15? What is the value of minus 15? Absolute value plus 15.
150.
What is absolute value of 6? 6 only. Because if negative sign is also there, we did not consider, we are taking only positive. That is the absolute values. You please remember that way, children, so that it will help whenever exams are given. Question is given it a type of modulus question. Or absolute or modulus. Sometimes they can call it as that straight line modulus also. They can call this line as modulus or absolute. Both the ways we can call it as a modulus or absolute. Now, go to the next part of question. This is very simple. I think you people can quickly answer this question. Question number you put and you can answer, children. Subtract 230 from 189. Which is the biggest which is the biggest biggest of, which is the biggest of, minus 4, 9, 1, 21, minus 13. So just please text me the answers, children. Very good. I got answers from the children. Almost all questions given by Sritej.
Are those correct?
Sritej, first once you check it, the bit number third once, ma, that's correct. Third bit once, please check it.
Is my answer correct?
1 minute, Maheshwarya given altogether 4 minus 11 minus 4. Sixth one is sixth one. Most of my kids are doing sixth bit as wrong.
Ma'am, I only got the third one wrong, right?
Everyone, I think, whoever given sixth bit till now, it's wrong. Not get the correct
Is
answer.
my answer correct?
We did not correct it. Only few bits are given. 1 minute, children. There is a nuisance here. I just make them to be quiet and come.
Ma'am, I gave all the answers.
Mom, can you check my 6th bit I sent you again?
Yes, first bit I'll write answers. You have to check yourself. Check yourself
is
and
my
give
answer
how many.
correct?
1 minute, Nana. I'm giving the answers on the screen. Yeah, almost everyone given sixth bit wrong, children. Rest all are correct, I think. This is nothing but 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Who got 4? That's correct. Since here both the numbers are negative, we can add and keep the greater common number sign. Minus 7, minus 4. Both signs are same signs. You have to add. You have to add 7 plus 4 is 11. But common sign is 11. So minus 11 is correct. Now bigger is minus 4. So subtract from this number, from 189 minus 230. So here greater number having a minus sign. That's why you will get negative sign. Negative 40, 30 here.
41.
41, right. Negative 41. Who got negative 41, children?
Mom, I got only 41.
No one, right, in the class. No one in the class. I think one student, no one. Everyone wrote plus 40. Oh, one of the student is given Aishwarya. Very good. Aishwarya, I'll appreciate you, Aishwarya. Why? Because no one, everyone wrote 41, plus 41, plus 41, plus 41. Because this is a common mistake done by the students in the examination too. The
Ma'am,
word format is given. Yes, yes, tell any doubt,
ma'am,
means
even
please
I wrote
let me know.
41, ma'am.
That's why everyone wrote 41. Minus, the sign is more important. Its integer sign is very important, beta. Anvit given right now, correct. Now, which is the biggest among these?
Ma'am, 21.
First two, yes, that's all. And now I want to test you few more questions regarding to sixth bit, because you people, I'm not happy with the sixth question, number 6. So I'll give few more questions. You have to answer those questions, right, Soumya? Now,
Ma'am, can we have quizzes?
yes, yes. Now you just, there is a few questions you have to solve now. This is 1, subtract
Mom, can you
60
Mom, can you use
from,
calculator?
subtract 60 from 49. Now you have to take the question as 70 minus 89 Third bit is 50 minus 163. And fourth bit is 40 minus 53. The fifth bit is 60 minus 180. Come on, children, quickly answer these all questions quickly so that we will.
Done, ma'am.
Right. Very good, Adrit, given correct. All correct, all bits together he gave. Ashwath, correct. And with sign, check the sign beta. Check the sign is more important in the integers chapter, means signs are very important.
Ma'am, is not correct.
Again, none with the signs you did not give correctly. You gave the solution. Sign is also more important, and with signs only. Yes, Divya, Sriram given everything together. Anvit, again you forgot about sign, Nana. Please check the signs. Now you are correct, Beta. You corrected your mistake. Very good.
Ma'am, is mine correct?
Yeah, I gave the impression too. You can check the impression. Who are given correct answers? For them, I'm giving some impression. Because we are subtracting greater number from smaller number, you will always get negative sign. That is one part you should remember. Then second part is general subtraction only. This is word format given. Subtract 60 from 49. That means 49 minus 60. This is also we are subtracting greater number from smaller number. You will get negative sign. For all the answers, you will get almost negative sign, children. Right, Anvit, right. Very good, Anvit. You corrected. You corrected your mistake and you gave correct answers. Very good. Right, that's all. Good. And what is the other things we supposed to do today? Right. Yes, Deepika, you're asking us something about the part, right? What is that? You're busy with something, Deepika. Oh, okay. Something I thought last time discuss which what I supposed to discuss with you right now.
Ma'am, handling data, pictograph and tally marks.
Right. So pictographs and tally marks. So they just give a clues to you so that you can understood more better, children.
Pictograph, I'm clear. Tally
What is
marks.
disadvantage in representation of pictograph?
By pictures.
Suppose the data, suppose the picture, this part of picture is represent 100 students in the class. Okay, this one picture of this represents 100 students. Suppose they mentioned like this. How many students are there? If they mentioned like that, how many students are there?
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Oh, you people are sorry, I forgot, but I'm doing. Okay. I'll share just a minute. Children, I'll share. Now you see, the picture represents 100 students. If two pictures represent
200.
200, that means 100 for one picture, another picture for 100, which represents 200 students. Suppose there are 7 pictures like this.
Ma'am, 700.
You have 7 pictures like this. 6 and 7. So 700. What is the disadvantage of pictograph? Suppose if I want to represent 723 students, how am I supposed to represent 723 students? Is it easy, children?
Ma'am,
Is
like
it
we
easy
should
to
divide
represent?
them into two parts.
Parts you have to divide. Suppose half part if I'm taking, suppose circle I took and 1 year, is it easy to represent the part of the students?
No, ma'am. You can do that part
No.
as 10 and you can draw 2 parts.
Okay, yeah, that's why pictographs are disadvantaged because of part of picture we cannot represent properly. We cannot assess properly how many number of students are there. That's why pictographs is eliminated. Then further they go with the tally marks. Suppose how tally marks will work. For one number we will take one only. For two numbers, 2 lines, 2 straight lines. For number 3, 3 straight lines. For number 4, 4 straight lines. For number 5, 4 straight lines. From left up to right down, there is another one. This is a 5. Like that, if you want 6, you have to take it as a 5 plus 1. What is 5 representation? This is 5, this 1. 7 representation is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 7 representation. What is representation of 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. The same way, if you extend the part of this, you can go with this same part in children. 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So 10 means 2 5s once again. 2 5s, how 5 representation, 4 lines and crossbar. 4 lines, and this is the way you can. Why this is also very disadvantage, because how part of picture cannot be assessed earlier. This one is also very difficult. Why? Because such a large number. Suppose I want 1000 in tally marks. Is it easy to draw the tally marks for 1000?
No, ma'am.
It's taking a long time to draw. Of course, we can draw, but it's taking time, right? That's why tally marks also little disadvantage. For small numbers, we can use. For large numbers, we cannot use the tally marks. It's time consuming and our paper waste for writing such a number using tally marks. So that overcome these disadvantages, we further go with bar graphs. Children, that is the part. But bar graph she doesn't have. She said.
Ma'am, can I conduct a quiz now?
Yes, that's all, children. That's about today's part. And we want to play a small quiz, children. Shall I share the link? Yes, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many questions you want? Integers or else another chapter we will play?
Teachers.
Integers only?
I'm
Okay.
20.
Ma'am, can we do another 100 questions?
Another chapter, which one choose? Data handling. Shall we go with data handling?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll share link, children. Please wait. Don't worry for the children. You have to try the questions because learning new things is always very important. But if you are not getting, also don't cry for that, but you have to try to work it.
Ma'am, did you send the link already?
Anvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm just sharing through chat box, Anvik. You please, everyone can join through chat box. I'm just sharing the link.
Okay.
Yes, quickly join, please. Yeah, we are leaving, children. We are leaving. I'm not going to take much of your time, Soumya. We'll just, you can leave better. You can leave. Only 10 questions. I'm not giving more than that. Yes, more 2 students should join, right? More one. Shritesh, Adrita, Ashwat, Anvit, Aishwarya, Divyesh. Okay, I'll just start again. So, okay, Deepika. Yes, good children. It's completed. You can leave, children. Don't wait for me. Almost very good done with Adrit and Sriram. Well done, Deepika. Very good. Sritej and Aishwarya also tried well. Ashwath, good. You can leave, children. Don't wait for me. Once completed, you can leave. Very good. Children, there is a few questions we need to discuss. Number of times observing their frequency is that answer, right? I think Amit correct all bits, 10 bits. Let me see the result. What Sritej is doing. Aishwarya also done. Sritej, are you doing ma? Sritej, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Children, once who completed, you can leave better. Let him do.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Sritej. You tried. You are taking time and tried. Good.
Ma'am,
Let
done,
me
ma'am.
see this course. Very congratulations, everyone. Amit first, Amit, sorry, Sritej and Aditya. Very good. Congratulations to you. And who others also doing well? Let me see the part of results. 100% Aditya, 90 should 90 very should Sritej. Your errors also you can check, children, here. What are the bits you did errors? You can go through the part of questions also. Okay, that's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day. Yes. See you. Right, children. Bye.